This is what we call flushing of the system. We're about to flush the system to know if there's dirty inside. If there's dirty, it will affect the compressor after mounting. So it's best we flush the system, flush out the dirties in the system before we install a new compressor. It's very important that you must flush the system before installing new compressor. If you fail to do that, it might also kill the new compressor you put. So follow me as I show you how to flush the system, how to flush your outdoor units. Watch, this is my hose going to the capillary. From the capillary, I'm going to flow it gas to the system in order to flush the system. Follow me.